I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil Ford Ranger 2022 full guide. Begin by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and letting the engine cool for safety. Collect a drain pan, oil filter wrench, new oil, and a replacement filter rated for your engine. Use ramps or a jack and jack stands to access the drain plug, and always wear gloves and eye protection for a clean, safe job. Start by warming the engine briefly to thin the oil, then turn it off and secure the vehicle. Slide a drain pan under the oil pan and remove the drain plug, being ready for sudden flow. Let all oil drain until the stream becomes a slow drip, which can take several minutes. Inspect the drain plug and magnetic areas for metal debris and clean, or replace the washer before reinstalling everything tightly but not over-torqued. After the oil has drained, remove the old oil filter and check that the old gasket did not stick to the housing. Smear a bit of fresh oil on the new filter gasket, thread it by hand, and then snug it with the wrench according to specifications. Reinstall the drain plug, refill the engine with the correct oil grade and capacity, run the engine briefly to circulate oil, and then verify the level with the dipstick, topping off as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.